When I tell they deceive people, Jennifer, you go UK, where carry you go UK? I shower prostitute, now you go to for UK. Jennifer, all of now when they talk so both the last lady or both the like this, all of now when they talk so. Me and man at the same for abroad. Now at the same time we take home. I know you before. Because if you they talk before now they talk, I feel look on self first. One before I go carry on another person matter they talk. When I feel look on self first, one I look on self whether now at the same time we take home. When I don't spend 80, 20 years, 20 years, 30 years for abroad. You can't get my call they talk to me. Jennifer, you must bring picking when you don't pay 1 naira for a head. You must bring picking when you don't pay penny for it. When you come no that person knows be taken. Because if they do call the laugh una no say una be barren now. Una not get una say person they throw word though. Person you when not born. And I want to ask this question. You understand? Because I don't understand. You go do now, you go begin the insult person. Una go sit down, I go begin the insult person. Una go do, I go the throw mat for person. You get the one where you take past me. All of them when they talk, so I don't spend that many years for abroad. You get the one where you take past me. You get the one where you see you now, see as you be. You go UK now, shower, you do for them. You know, you say you marry. You see the two escorts up and down. They sleepy around. They sleepy around. You say na good thing, na ain't day for you. Amaro you Una go say na amaro you whereas na sleepy around. Me they say the thumbs up, guys. Una go they sleep around. Una even marry go better pass una. Single mother so go see better pass una. In the name of say I marry. Marry one and marry no one. You not get head, you not get it. Now escort una still they do up and down, Jennifer. You know fear. How they carry my matter, they talk, Jennifer. Who borns you? Because if not, you say you be dirty royal home way for come. Your brothers and your sister go reach your mama, and all of them blind now. They not see you when they do rubbish for social media. They not fit tell you say people matter and you not concern you when you throw away mats. If you don't get topic, you come and say, I not get up here, I know they talk, I know they do saga, make saga kill your head. You know they do saga, whereas you don't see topic, you don't get topic again. That time you call the phone, say you know they talk, you know the talk person matter, now you own, now you they talk. Jennifer, I near you. Me, I come close to you when they say you go carry my matter, they talk and like say they use and send you message. You go see the video post, you go tire. Me and you go see you go tire for social media. You understand? Because I don't know what to be your problem. When they say you go carry my matter, begin they talk. You understand me? When you go carry my matter, they sit down. Me, I not better pass. You bring your own children, come outside when you don't train. When you don't spend big money for a head. When you don't carry money, take care of. Bring her come outside. Because before una go come outside, come they talk. Mona bring una come outside, come they talk. You never feel pay 1 naira, you no picking hold you penny. Then you come get my call, they toss a person, no fit take a person, fit take. And at the same time, we take come abroad. Now the same season, at the same time, me and you take come. You don't come abroad for how many years? You go UK school. English, you know sabi speak. See English when they speak. If you don't know, they saw people when they Europe when they say na language we they learn for here. When I go to now, they trauma give you day Europe, you know sabi speak English. You ain't day English speaking country. Because I shall not let you see road. I marry, you hearing go people want to the sleepy around. He not let you see road. You understand? With this one now. Hello? Yeah, who am I speaking? I'm on live video on YouTube.
Are you already online?
Yeah.
Okay, when can I call you, madam?
Okay, you can call me later in the day or tomorrow. Yeah. You understand? You understand? So you go get mad. Take the insult person. Get mad. Take the insult me. You won't be bad. You won't if because they never talk to you last time. You get the shout, hey. Because if you go down on our body, who not born, they say they laugh open. Because you they laugh person now they talk say this one off you take care, that one off you take care. You go bring the one when you take care of your picking. You go bring the one when you take picking when you don't born, when you take care. Not say your mama's a bit swear. Except I felt near you, come call you. Now I swear when your mama go to anywhere you carry my name, go now go reach. But if I don't feel near you, you carry my matter they talk. You go return to your head. See your life now. You don't use cream, take bleach all your body, all your skin. You don't bleach everything. English, you dey English speaking country, Jennifer. Jennifer, I call you. They English speaking country where they say the thumbs up, guys. You know if you speak good English. Who call you for live video? Who call you to become presenter? See your life. See as you be. You in the last person when you say you don't come abroad. I be not be your picture. Me put for them so. That one at 8 months back. 8 months back now you be like that so. And when you don't come abroad, when you be say those of you when they live video so when you be say una they carry my matter they talk. Una don't come abroad tete because una don't mistry use your life. You see as your life, you don't do a shower, do a shishi, do. Look at your life. Bring your hand, make I bring my pull your cloth, make me pull. See as your life be, Jennifer. You don't fear, go carry my matter, cause they talk rubbish. Make sure they do video for you, make sure they post too. You go see video post and I go deal with you like say tomorrow, not day. Because as I did, so I'm not the fine person. If you don't near me, I'm not the near you. Because they throw mad for you, call on enter house. Because the phone say they support it. This I be like you. Because you know they talk truth for where truth today. You know they like to talk truth for where be say truth today. Now so lie. Now you they talk up and down. You go see truth, you go burn. You go see truth, you go burn. You go see truth, you go burn. You understand? For this life, your own even goes past my own. When they use Pikite, they exchange house. When they use Pikite, they exchange this thing. When they use Pikite, they exchange another thing. When I cause another person when you go, if I born, if you take off and consign you, you born now, if you easy, why foul not the peace, Jennifer? Why foul not the peace? If it's easy for you. Because if you don't say something in your body, not come outside. Because if I wear you, I not go talk put. Because now your own worst pass. You understand? Hello, I'm live video on YouTube. Good evening. Who? Okay, what do you have to contribute? I'm a live video on YouTube.
No, I don't want to go. I didn't know that you are there for YouTube.
Okay, how may I help you? Dirty and sticky when you marry. Just look at your life now. You go do now see what our brother sister told you. They don't say they want to do a shishi. But if you do small, you enter house. So go say now they want your die put. Like Jennifer, they say now you want die put. Jennifer they do escort up and down nowhere the no for UK there. Jennifer tell people when call the canal 24/7 midnight, afternoon, morning. Jennifer see they go road walk as Jennifer still rich so. You see they go road walk. You see they sleepy around because Oyibo don't care. Yes. You say you marry Oyibo because Oyibo a cassava guy be. Yes. But now I say they sleep around, now I say they get mad till they talk to me. Now I say they get mad till they insult person. Now I say they get mad till they throw mat give person. You know the shame? You don't get shame for her. At your age now, I should say you know if you don't enter menopause because as I look you, menopause don't knock for your door. So you don't have to pull your frustration for my body. You understand? Me, I better pass once I did so. I still get killed like this as I still be. Fine, say you senior me where? You are the last lady, now glide this so all of you now senior me where? Of which people when get eye, they know. They know. So what you call the war on ourselves put? Many of them, they get mad, say they get picky, they are abroad, they're born, government, they help them, they take care of picking. They will see matter, they talk, you get mad, they talk to me. When your own day your body, you go here and wait for my hand. Hello? I'm a live video on YouTube. Hello, I'm a live video on YouTube. You live video, hello. You understand? You understand me? So Jennifer, I go deal with you. Where? I go deal with you. Your head go correct. May I see the thumbs up, guys? If you are just come, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you never subscribe to my Pursue the Enter House TV, please subscribe to Pursue the Enter House TV, please. You understand? Because they don't know what them. You when they talk, you know better part. Not be saying you not born your own. They never throw what give you that. They say, hello, you want die, you want kill yourself. Then you have the guts and the mind, because they cost me. You have the guts and the mind. When you know say, see, go half. You know if you feel create half. You know if you feel create me, even premature or imbecile. You know if you fit. I go deal with you. If your mama call your mama, any two way your mama swear now family head, now go for knock. Because that your mama not trains you. If your mama trains you, you go tell say my pikin and so they take they talk. Because they say, who you beat, you know, say make you not cry. Except I feel come as I got trauma for you. Or I feel come and tell you say you not born. Or I feel come as I tell you say Jennifer say, and I swear where your mama as he hold through so now you go tell me. But if I not fet true for you, my dear, it go come back to you and your family. Both when we carry you call you all your family, you swear go back to now. Yes, this swear go back to now because who not born, not the laugh who born. Because I'm more better than you. Which speaking even they call you mama or mommy. Because I go insult you, your head go correct. Last year I look you posting my picture, you post my man, you post my man picture. I look and forget, I leave you. You curse, they insult me, I bone, I leave you. Then you can't do finish. You can't do one video this year. You can't they find my sister for Facebook. Make it write you. Make you see matter, they do topic. If I born and not take care of it, concern you, I be concerned, man. I can't beg you money. Say, Jennifer, that your house when you they can't sell and can't give me money. Or I don't call you before, say, Jennifer, so you're there, so I beg borrow me 1,000 euro. It concern, man. Una when they talk so, I better pass one. Now your own Jennifer cost the worst pass. Your own worst. Because who not born, you know if you call they cost me. If you cost me, I go tell you the one day your body. You tell me, I tell you. You tell me, I go tell you. If you tell me the one go vex me, I go tell you the one go pain you. So that I go pepper you rich bone. If he is the Jennifer, put your own for belly, make you bone. If he is the sis, they meet the born. Yes. Now God gift, now make can be God gift. If you hold money, not go say and buy, even though you get money, if you go adult, they will see no sooner adult, you are adult. It can never be like your blood. You understand? Because if you don't want the suppers, all the one we do on our body now will take laugh all of them. You understand? Now your own go walk past my own. Your own name go walk. Do a shower small and say no, a shower not go let you leave. Do a shower small, you know that tomorrow they take tablet because this tablet what they take so. Remove belly, some people women day now 3 or 4 picking that God give you. Depends on everybody take day. You don't because of our shishi, you remove all of them. Not on the day again. Tell you want to get belly again. Tell me, then now you want to put your frustration for my body. Now you want to put your trouble for my body. No, it cannot be possible now. You understand? God tell you what tell. Except I find you trouble. If I not find you trouble, anything you plan back to send out to your head. Until you go breathe out your picking. If na Nigeria you born and put, you live for your mama. Is normal picking and picking. If na desert you born and put Jennifer. Na picking and picking. If na Cameroon you born and put, go bring the picture. If na UK there, now you born and go bring the picture. If you not bring your picking picture. You know me now, they know they describe me for you now. You know me now. I go describe you. Your head. 45 years. 45 years. See come outside, they talk to me. 45. You understand? 45 years. Yes, so any plan with the planning even when they say they never told you that your mama they swear. Oh, no. Each way mighty advice you. Your mama, that your old mama, you know if you advise to say my pikin. If you want, make person know insult you. Not fair insult person. And they know as your life be, as your life take bend. They talk with you concern if you did there. You know say I be presenter. Me say I not go give people money that they talk. So why who give you the audacity and the privilege to even talk for my matter? Who give you that right? Hello? Hello? You say hello, now go keep quiet. I don't get that thing. Who give you that audacity? Your man go tell you, say, softly talk, oh, because as you did now, you are welcome, my dear. Yes. You understand? As your mama no fear advice, even your brother will carry you call you car, be where I be. Hello? Hello?
Good evening.
Good evening. I'm a live video on YouTube.
Okay, no problem. I know, it's just me, I greet you. I've been trying to reach you. They follow you.
Hey, yeah, oh, come man, I know you're smoker. Don't.
No problem, buddy. Okay.
All right, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Please give this video a thumbs up. I know they see the thumbs up. We'll pass 100 today. May I see the thumbs. My real fans. I know say Aproko people don't fool here, but my real fans still there here gidigba. May I see the thumbs up. May I see the thumbs up. Give my video a thumbs up. And if you never subscribe to Poshu the Enter House, subscribe to Poshu the Enter House. Jennifer, you know the shape. So tell the video when they do, you can't carry and go put for your wall. You say not be. Shebi they tell you say the one tell you say may you not call my name, join name. Then you not fear. You can't go right and say Vera sister. Now tell God go for punish you. God already punish you. May I tell you, no ever call my name, join that one because at the same gang, the same bed with the same feather flows together. As that one life burn, I saw your life burn, and I make you the support her. If you want to put any video for your wall, do any video same for you. Not ever attach my name to it for your life. You will go die. Don't you ever attach my name. Oh, Coco Naija Mama, you are welcome. Oh, you are welcome, darling. Don't you ever carry my name, join that shameless and useless girl when they insult your family, they insult your papa and mama. Don't you try them. If you want, you still get mama, you get brother, you get sister, when they not give you home training. Write their name, join them. Make God punish your head. And they hate some people you don't hold, you know they respect yourself. Because as me they so, if I see no person who they insult me, they pay me for body. I beg give this video a thumbs up, my people. As old as you are, just look at my life on social media. Just look at how my day. You not born, then you go get my day, they insult me. If you like, cry to all I care. Ask me this, so if I'm not born, I'm not go cause you fair born. You understand? Because everybody, that is why they say all fingers are not equal. Oyibo when made that part, but they are not full. All fingers are not equal. As you take day, not be I take day. Everybody have everything. Now you need this top print, so now everybody gets you. Then you will for mind your business. You when you be barren, so now your own worst pass. Now matter take talk. Go tell your mama if they fly, may fly away. If you don't still fly away, now God will still torment all of them back to send that to her. Because no, if you come life, you come, they insult me. They insult my mom, they insult me like say, now your time I take bond, or now borrow your mama, your papa, your family money. I hold you penny, Jennifer. I hold you penny. You go bring out your picky come and say, if you bring out your picky come and say, now 20,000 pounds. Now be pounds UK they use. Now you don't use for a head. You go snap the picture. If na Nigeria there, you go snap am. You go snap and put, then I go see am. Now I go tell leave you for waste. If not be in, you have started since last year. And they look you. And they look you, I go throw away face. Not be so video when you they do, I know they see. Thank you, Jerry. Not be say I know they see videos when you they do. If you do say, now that royal home, now you go kill you, now you go kill your generation, now you go kill your family. That royal home when you they talk, so royal home now you go kill you. Now they put on yourself for where you are not rich. Now they put on yourself for when royal home. Which dirty royal home you for come? I don't really understand. Which royal home you for come they never see before? Which title you get? Which title your mama or your papa or your father get?